Okay, this tutorial is for using Google Jamboard from a mobile device, meaning your cell phone or a tablet of some sort. If you are using a Chromebook or other computer, you're going to want to stop this video and go and select the opposite video. So first thing I would do is turn my device sideways so I can see a much bigger view of what I'm working with here. If you'll notice this blue pencil in the corner, that's where we will click to start editing our storyboard. And you see all of my options pop up here on the left side. So let's quickly go through these. This first one is a pen tool that you can use to draw or to write. You have a pen, a marker, a highlighter, and a paintbrush across the top, depending how you want it to look. So you will select your color, which pen you want to use, and then you'll just write in the box that you're trying to draw in. If you make a mistake, you can use the undo arrow in the bottom right, or you can use the eraser option right here underneath the pen. So I click that eraser, I can erase the work I just put down. Okay, so if I want to type on my screen, I can go back to the pen tool, and it says Assistive Drawing Tools. This is special for mobile devices. So where it has the A right here, when I click this, when I write something with my finger or with a stylus, it'll change it to look nice with text, with a text font. So I'll go ahead and select that. I'm going to write the word soil with my finger. And so it'll change it to nice text for me. And so at this point, I can go ahead and this third tool right here is my select tool. I can use that to select anything on the screen, and I can make it smaller, and I can move it down to the text line down here. Okay, so this next tool right here is a laser pointer. You will not need to use this because that's mainly used for presentations and if you're to show people this in class. But we will probably use this plus tool right here. This would be to add something. So you can add a sticky note, you can add something from your Google Drive. If you draw it on paper or if you write it on paper, you can add that with your camera, or if you have a picture you want to add from images, you can do that as well. So that is really all there is to it here. Good luck on your activity today, and I'm sure you're going to do a fantastic job.